Hi guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. In this video, we'll be solving the 2017 Core Maths questions, question 5. So question 5a, the probability that Mensa will pass mathematics and economics tests are 3/4 and 5/8 respectively. If the probability that he passes at least one of the subjects is 7/12, what is the probability that he passes both subjects? So let's probability that Mensa will pass mathematics. Be P of M. The probability that you pass economics will be P of E. So the probability that he passes at least one of the subjects is 7/12. Now this probability is the same as the probability of Mensa passing mathematics union the probability of Mensa passing economics. So we have P of E union M to be equal to 7/12. But we know that P of E union M is equal to P of E plus P of M minus P of E intersection M. P of E intersection M is the probability that Mensa will pass both subjects. That's what we are asked to find. So P of E intersection M be equal to P of E plus P of M minus P of E union M. And we know that P of E from the question is 3/4. And P of M is 5/8. And P of E union M, which is the probability that he passes at least one of the subjects, is 7/12. So our P of E intersection M becomes 3/4 plus 5/8 minus 7/12. Now our P of E intersection M is 3/4 plus 5/8 minus 7/12. So P of E intersection M can be written as 11/8 minus 7/12. So when we simplify this, our P of E intersection M becomes 19/24. So therefore, the probability that Mensa will pass at least one of the subjects is 19/24. So we are done with the A of question 5. So moving on to the question 5B. In a class of 30 students, 25 offer biology, 21 offer physics, and each student offer at least one of the subjects. If a prefect is selected from the class, what is the probability that she offers only one subject? So 5B. The total number of students in the class is 30. So our universal set is 30. So let N of B represent the number of students who offer biology. So in that case, N of B, which is the number of students who offer biology, is 25. And N of P, which is the number of students who offer physics, is 21. So when we illustrate this on a Venn diagram, we have this. Our universal set is 30. Our N of B is 25. And our N of P is 21. So the red circle represents the number of students who study biology, and then the green circle represents the number of students who study physics. So we don't know our B intersection P, so we represent that portion by X. Now the number of students who study only biology will be 25 minus X. And the number of students who study only physics will be 21 minus X. Now, when we add everything in the square, it should be equal to the number of students in the class. So 25 minus X plus 21 minus X should be equal to 30. So X cancels X. 25 plus 21, we have 46 minus X should be equal to 30. So our X becomes 16. So we can say that 16 students study both biology and physics. So to find the number of students who study only biology and only physics, we would have 25 minus X plus 21 minus X. And we know our X is 16. So we have 25 minus 16 plus 21 minus 16. So 25 minus 16, we have 9. Plus 21 minus 16, we have 5. So our total number of students who study only physics and only biology would be 9 plus 5, which is 14. Therefore, the probability of selecting a prefect who studies only one subject will be equal to the number of students who study only one subject over the total number of students in the class. So the number of students who study only one subject is 14. And then the total number of students in the class is 30. So the probability of selecting a prefect who studies only one subject will be subjects will be 14 over 30, which is 7 over 15. So that brings us to the end of question 5. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.